How to use a bonus bet in Betmgm. So this bonus pretty much can't be activated anywhere else unless you sign up by via a promotion, or let's say you found a link of a video where it's pretty much promoting a bonus in BetMGM, where when you use that link and you sign up, you'll be able to get a bonus. So once you've signed up using that link, the bonus should be automatically activated once so again, it's a promotion that's already active once you sign up using that link. And over here we have an explanation on what bonus bet is, which also includes how to use the bonus bets over here. Using the bonus that's active, you won't lose any money from their account balance if the side you're betting on loses. It can be used on one straight bet or one parlay and can't be split between various bet placements. And also, bonus bets can't be redeemed for cash, nor can you cash out a bet placed with bonus bets. So hopefully this video helps you, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.